Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary Jeopardy, Jeopardy. Hope you are recollecting that word, I think. Revoke, Revoke. Defer, Defer. Contentious, Contentious. Jeopardy, put in danger. Perilous, I think second session in English vocabulary we took up that perilous word. So there synonyms, in synonyms we got this jeopardy. Just go through once again. Jeopardy, in danger of being damaged or destroyed. That is what we call it as jeopardy. Synonyms: distress, endangerment, trouble, precarious, vulnerability, peril, hazard, risk, perilous. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: safety, security, assurance, protection, certain. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the whole peace process is in jeopardy. One more example can be given: the lives of thousands of birds are in jeopardy as a result of the oil spill, because of oil spill. Revoke, repeal, to take back, withdraw, reverse, repeal, cancel, rescind, annul. Hope you remember this word. Officially cancelling, that is what the meaning of revoke. Again one more time: repeal, cancel, rescind, annul, to take back, withdraw, reverse, repeal. So all these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: introduce, enact, begin, commence, undertake, engage, take on, start. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: his visa was revoked following a public protest against him. The man appealed and the sentence was revoked. One more example also can be given. Defer, submit, put off. Put off means postpone, procrastinate, postpone. Here two meanings will come if you use defer followed by to. Defer to means you are agreeing, so you do agree to that. Defer means postpone. So see here: defer, submit, put off, to agree to follow someone else's decision. That is what we call it as defer. Another one: to delay something until a later time. That is what we call it as defer. So yield, give away, postpone, stall, suspend, adjourn, prolong, procrastination, comply with. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: stand up to, disobey, continue, allow, carry out, expedite, maintain. All these words can be related to antonyms. He deferred to Ram's superior knowledge. He agreed to, he is accepting because he is a senior, or he is his guru, or he may be having more knowledge than him. That is the reason he is accepting. My bank has agreed to defer the repayments on my loan. Repayments on my loan, bank agreed to defer means agreed to postpone. So postpone for a further period. Even can we defer making a decision next week? Can we defer making a decision next week? That means can we postpone this decision next week? That also can be given as an example. So defer, if it is followed by to, defer to, you are accepting their opinion, someone else's opinion. And normally if you use defer, so my bank has agreed to defer the repayments on loan, so that means we are postponing. Contentious, controversial. I don't think I need to give any explanation. Controversial, likely to cause disagreement and argument. That is what we call it as a controversial. Synonyms: disputable, argumentative, bellicose, belligerent, quarrelsome, perverse, petulant, warlike, combative, factious. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: amiable, amicable, friendly, easygoing, cordial, quiet, calm, relaxed, kind-hearted. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we had to deal with a contentious issue, controversial issue. She has some very contentious views. she has some very contentious views on present education system. Clear? That's end of our today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.